I honestly don't even know how I'm going to start this vlog off today, to be honest with you. You know, a lot of crazy stuff has been happening these last couple of weeks where I don't even know. I don't even know where my mind's at. I don't know what's really going on. But we got a ton of stuff to talk about. I'm going to be restructuring this whole YouTube channel and how everything's ran, done, and all of that, which we'll talk about here in a little bit. As well as we're going to talk about the KX250 factory build that I'm working on right now. Alright, so I hit a huge milestone in my YouTube career, which I am super pumped on. To a lot of people, this might not be a huge milestone to them, but for me, as a content creator, it's a huge stepping stone, and it's really given me the drive, the motivation, and the passion to continue to do what I'm doing. Over the last couple weeks, we finally got over the 400 subscriber mark, which I'm blown away. I'm super pumped about it. We are now sitting at 429 subscribers. Huge shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are what makes this worth it. I'm pumped on that. I just wanted to address that in this video. Let's go ahead and talk restructuring and kind of let you know what I want to end up doing with this channel. So as far as restructuring the channel goes, it's going to stay pretty much the same. I'm just kind of adding some more upload days. Now, I want to get some feedback from you guys. Should I continue to upload vlogs on Mondays? Or would you guys like me to upload vlogs on a different day? Maybe add something else like a tech tip Tuesday or a tech tip Thursday or both days. I was also kind of thinking maybe like a Moto Monday where we can talk about what happened on the races on Saturday. Maybe get some other moto creators on the channel so that we can kind of talk moto. Some ideas right there. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about that, if that's something that you guys would be interested in. But as far as the channel, like I said, we're still going to be doing moto builds. I think I might want to introduce a little more vloggy type videos, especially with the progression that I want to do to get back on a bike. I haven't really been on a bike in years, and I let myself go like super bad. I became a dad and I got fat. I weigh like 220. You can tell, like, my arms are skinny, and then you look at the rest of my body and it's all fat. I'm like wide. I look stupid as, yeah, self-pity right there. I think I might take you guys along that journey of getting on the bike again. I have a lot of work to put in. I gotta start hitting the gym regularly, which I have a gym membership that I kind of use but I don't use. I think I might take you along the journey with that. I just don't know how to film it. I'm barely getting comfortable on camera again. That's where I'm sitting at with that. Anyways, for most of you guys that are clicking on this video, it's because of my KX250 build. So let's go ahead and jump into it and talk about that a little. So for the factory KX250 build, we're chugging right along on it. I know in my last video, I said I was gonna have the stuff Cerakoted already and all that, but I had some issues with that. They sent me the wrong series Cerakote. I got a C series instead of a V series that I need. So we're getting that all situated right now. I believe sometime this week, I'm going to be getting the Cerakote, and then we'll go ahead and squirt some of that on the case halves here in the next video. So that's where we're at with that. I don't really remember where I left off on my tearing apart the bike video, because I kind of just threw it together to get a video out. So that way I can keep my analytics up, which I am definitely going to stop doing. I am going to take more time and put more effort into these videos so that way I can keep growing as a channel and you guys don't get bored of my content. All right, so I ended up moving inside because it got super cold in the garage. But as I'm saying, you know, we got pretty much the whole left side of the motor done with all the titanium hardware, so that's all bolted and torqued to spec. Coming up in this next video, I think I'm going to do a little bit more interactiveness with my building and how I'm building this motor. So like I said, we're going to squirt the Cerakote on all the things that need Cerakoted, and then we're going to go ahead and put everything back together. Then we're pretty much going to put the motor back into the bike, get that bike all buttoned up so that way I am able to take the bike down to Pro Circuit, let them do what they're going to do. Obviously suspension, triple clamps, the motor stuff, valves, cams, piston, porting, polishing, and all that good stuff. So I'm piped on that. Then they're going to tune the bike. That's the only reason why I'm doing this the way I'm doing it, so that way they can just have the bike for however long they need it, and then it's all there. I'll go pick it up, and then we're gonna go ride California. So let me know down in the comments below what tracks are good out there. I haven't really ridden California ever. I think we're gonna check out Fox Raceway, maybe State Fair, not sure yet. Let me know where you guys ride at. for those of you that are watching from California. Hopefully get some riding videos here after this is all done. Anyways, we still got a lot of work to do on this bike. I'm not really trying to rush it too much because every time I try to rush things, it kind of gets all jacked up and everything just turns out bad, and I don't want to do that. That's pretty much where I'm at. Like I said, you know, with the restructuring of this whole channel, definitely going to be a learning process for me, and I'm super pumped to do it. I never thought I would have 430 subscribers. I never thought that this would be so much fun to do. It's crazy. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was more talking. It was kind of a little bit boring for you guys to watch, but I'm going to try my best to push out some pretty sick content. So stay tuned for the next couple videos. We got some working on the bike. I think I'm going to add like a tech tip Tuesday or Thursday. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on next Monday's video.